A toilet that wobbles, leaks, or causes odors is often the first sign the original installer cut corners. Check the flange position first, because a flange sitting below the finished floor by more than 1/8 inch will prevent a proper wax seal and invite leaks. Raise it with a flange extender kit or replace it so the top is even with the finished floor. If the installer used a single thin economy wax ring without a flange reinforcing or compression gasket on a recessed flange, you will see slow leaks or stains. So remove the toilet and install a thick wax ring with a flange spacer or an integrated waxless gasket to restore a reliable seal. Look for water damage and swelling of the subfloor around the base, which indicates chronic leakage. Probe the area with a screwdriver, and if the wood compresses or crumbles, replace the damaged subfloor and sister joists as needed before reinstalling the fixture. Test for a loose or rocking toilet by placing small quarters at opposite edges of the bowl and rocking gently. Constant movement means the flange or mounting bolts are misaligned or the floor is uneven, so either shim with plastic toilet shims and trim flush or reposition the flange. Inspect the closet bolts for alignment and proper torque, because bolts that are bent or too loose will prevent a flat, sealed connection. Replace rusty or deformed bolts, use stainless steel bolts, and tighten nuts evenly to avoid cracking porcelain. Finally, watch for mold, mildew, or persistent musty odors at the base, which often point to hidden leaks. Remediate mold, dry the cavity, and address the leak source rather than simply caulking over the evidence. Common mistakes include installing the flange too low, which causes recurring leaks and requires raising or replacing the flange to correct the seal. Another frequent issue is relying solely on a thin wax ring for recessed flanges, which fails over time and should be replaced with a proper spacer or waxless gasket during repair. A third problem is ignoring a rocking toilet and simply reapplying silicone, which masks the issue and can trap moisture. Remove the toilet, stabilize the floor, or use shims, then reseat with correct hardware so the bowl sits flat. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who want work and helps homeowners find capable professionals for repairs and renovations related to toilets and other home systems. We also host a discussion community where owners and tradespeople share experiences, tips, and real repair stories.